Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Decorating with Barbara. And if you are here for the first time, welcome. Today, I will be sharing my fall home tour. Now, guys, I have shared my tablescapes with you. I've shared centerpiece ideas as well as makeovers and hauls. So now it's time to see how it all came together. Now, if you have watched my channel for a while, you know that I like to do little talking during my tours. I feel like talking during a tour is like talking at the movies. So, I will start at the kitchen where I will share a simple change that I have made to my cabinets, and then I will let you guys enjoy the tour. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Now grab your coffee and a snack, and let's watch the tour. Okay, so here in the kitchen, there's one thing you may or may not notice in the kitchen, and that is the cabinetry. And no, I did not get new cabinetry. I just removed the glaze finish from the cabinets. I also took everything off the top for a more cleaner look. But there is a method to my madness. I do like to keep this corner for decor. I like to change it out seasonally. This side here is a functional area, things that I do use daily. And then here at the sink, I have a few more things that are functional. And of course, the candle is for ambiance. I just cut some twigs from the tree in my yard, and I like the way that looked, bringing in a little bit of outdoors. And then here is my coffee station. I always like to have a little simple treat with the coffee, and so here I have some ginger snaps from the Dollar Tree, and they taste amazing with coffee. They make the coffee taste better. And here at the table, yes, I have it packed with decor. And not to worry, we don't sit at the table packed like this every day. I just dressed it up because I knew you guys were coming. You guys may remember my console that I just purchased, and then the lamp that I had in the study, I moved over here. And then I just purchased these new chairs from Home Goods. So guys, do you remember this metal cage that I purchased earlier in the spring? It was in a bright gold, and I told you guys that I would be painting it in a soft gold for the fall. And so here it is, and I absolutely love it. So I did find a new light. If you guys did not see the makeover on the study, you might want to check it out.